crocodile jerky. So I'm going to try the crocodile jerky first and see what it tastes like. Ooh. Crocodile meat. It's very hard.
Good taste.
There's no taste. I'm eating crocodile. Spicy. Ew.
What?
It's too spicy. It's alright. It's good. Spicy. Okay. Crocodile. Now, kangaroo. Kangaroo. Okay, kangaroo jerky. There we go. Prepackaged. Even hotter.
So soft.
Come on, friend.
Kangaroo better.
The kangaroo is better than the crocodile. I'd rather have this. You know how much this is? $14.95.